Network Technology GSM, HSPA, LTE launch announced 2019, February status coming soon. EXP, release 2019, Q2 body dimensions unfolded, 161.3 by 146.2 by 5.4 mm folded. 161.3 by 78.3 by 11 mm, weight 295 grams, 10.41 ounces, SIM hybrid, dual SIM, nano SIM, dual standby display type AMOLED, capacitive touchscreen, 16 color size, 8.0 inches. 205.0 square centimeters, approximately 86.9% screen-to-body ratio, resolution 2200 by 2480 pixels, approximately 414 pixels per inch, density, folded cover display, 6.6 AMOLED, 1148 by 2480 pixels, 19.59, platform OS Android 9.0, Hi. EMUI 9.1 chipset, HiSilicon Kirin 980, 7nm, CPU octa-core, 2x2.6 GHz Cortex A76 and 2x1.92 GHz Cortex A76 and 4x1.8 GHz Cortex A55 GPU, Mali G76 MP10 memory card slot, nanometer, nano memory. Up to 256 GB, user SIM 2. Internal 512 GB, 8 GB RAM, main camera quad 40 MP, f. 1.8, 27mm, wide, 1/1.7, PDAF 16 MP, f. 2.2, 17mm, ultra-wide, 8 MP, f. 2.4. 52mm, telephoto, TOF camera, features Leica optics, dual LED dual tone flash, panorama, HDR video, 2160p at 30 fps. 108p at 30 fps, selfie camera, sound loudspeaker yes, 3.5mm jack, no, active noise cancellation with dedicated mic, comms, WLAN, Wi-Fi 802.11a, beeper, gram, N, AC, dual band, Wi-Fi direct, hotspot, Bluetooth 5.0, A2DP. A PTX HD GPS yes, with dual band AGPS, GLONASS, BDS, Galileo, QZSS, NFC yes, infrared port yes, radio no, USB 3.1, Type-C 1.0, reversible connector, features sensors, fingerprint, side-mounted accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. Barometer, battery, non-removable LiPo 4500 mAh, battery charging, fast battery charging, 55W, Huawei supercharged 85% in 30 minutes, mist colors, interstellar blue, price about €2,300. Disclaimer: we cannot guarantee that the information on this page is 100% correct.